Welcome to the Brainy Bubbles Kids. Learn, laugh, and grow together.
Look, look, what do we see? A surprise egg waiting for me. Tap, tap, crack it slow. Who's inside? Let's say hello. Crack, crack, open it quick. Out jumps a monkey doing a trick. Swinging high from tree to tree. Monkey smiles and waves at me. Tap, tap, crack with cheer. Out comes a lion with a mighty roar here. Golden mane, shining bright. Roar up says lion with all his might. Shake, shake, what's in there? An elephant stomps with trunk in the air. Big gray body, strong and tall. Trumpet sound, he greets us all. Crack, crack, what's that sound? A yellow duck waddling around. Quack, 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 she likes to say. Splashing in water all the day. Open the egg, what do we see? A little cat says meow to me. Soft and fluffy, cute and sweet. Purring gently, what a treat. Tap, tap, open with care. Out comes a big brown bear. He waves his paws and gives a grin. Hello friends, may I come in? Crack, crack, hop, hop, hop. Out jumps a rabbit with a little plop. Long white ears and a nose that twitches. He loves carrots and tasty dishes. Shake, shake, egg of blue. Out flies an owl with eyes so true. Hoo, 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 in the night. Spreading wings and taking flight. Crack, crack, egg on the ground. A slithery snake slides all around. Hiss, hiss, so smooth and sly. He wiggles past and waves goodbye. Tap, tap, open once more. A tall giraffe walks out the door. Neck so long, reaching the trees. Munching leaves with graceful ease. Eggs are empty, 1, 2, 3. Animals came to play with me. Monkey, lion, elephant too. Duck, cat, bear, and rabbit new. Owl, snake, giraffe so tall. Thanks for joining, bye to all.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.